How to make a new TikTok account. To get started, first of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. If you do not have a TikTok account, then you have to create one by signing up here. You can sign up with your phone number or by using your email, Facebook, Google, etc. For example, if you select email, then you have to enter your email address first as shown. Then, tap on Continue. After that, enter your password and tap on Continue again. Then fill in other details such as your birthday. Here, you can also create a nickname. Then tap on Continue. You have now successfully created a new TikTok account. You will then be brought to the TikTok homepage. Then tap on OK to sync your phone contacts with TikTok to find and get discovered by people you know. You can now enjoy the reels and share them with your friends. Following these steps, you can easily make a new TikTok account.